आपका वो सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, एंड इंसिडेंटली
जी सर।
आई एम एट दिल्ली एट दिस मोमेंट,
जी सर।
एंड I will remain busy. I will be here till third, and I will be busy during the day. I think late evening, if you want to organize something, I may be available.
Which date, sir? 3rd of April.
From today onward,
Today
I am
onward. Okay.
at the moment I am in Delhi.
Okay, sir. Oh, wow, great, sir.
Yeah,
Welcome to Delhi.
yeah.
Okay, sir, but unfortunately, right now I'm in a Mumbai.
Oh, no
So,
issue, no issue, no issue. Take your time. I
but
mean, say
give me some
everything.
time, sir. I will arrange something for this.
It may be done next time also in your presence rather than in your absence.
Sir, but you didn't tell me anything yesterday, na? That's
If you recall, Sanjay said I am in a train.
okay. Okay, sir.
Could you make that I was speaking from train itself?
Definitely, sir.
Yeah. So, Isha, you are doing wonderful job. Let me first once again appreciate your efforts.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, this model I was just explaining to Mr. Narendra, and I shared my conversation with him. I would request you to go through that.
Ji, sir.
The model is very, very easy, and 90% people need not to add even any one.
Ji, sir.
Not even one person. 90% need not to add any one.
Ji, sir.
Is it not very easy?
हाँ जी सर।
And 99% low person
जी।
put together, they need to add only one person. 99% people put together, if
जी।
they add only one person, our model will survive and prove its strength.
I can
So,
understand, sir.
so only 1% need to do something more, and out of even 1%, 90
जी।
people need to be added by only one person, that is Mathli Saran Gupta, who has already added 900 people.
जी सर।
Do you know that I have added more than 900 people?
I know, sir. Just see.
Okay. So out of 100, 99% only need to one person. So हम
जी।
लोग अपनी बातें बना रहे हैं, हम लोग अपने काम पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल सर।
जितने लोग बैठे हुए हैं, मुझे तो एक भी बैनर नहीं दिखता है कहीं पे पीछे लगा हुआ।
जी सर। और सर
दिखता है
आज
क्या?
की मीटिंग में स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं दिखता। स्ट्रिक्टली हम आज इस चीज को
अच्छा, दूसरी
बोलेंगे।
बात है कि कल पानी गिरने वाली बात जो हमारे संजय सिवाल जी कह रहे थे, आई फाइंड आउट दैट पानी गिरा है, लेकिन इवनिंग में गिरा है।
नहीं सर, डे टाइम में भी